Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. When we talk of food from Rajasthan, we normally think of the spicy Laal Maas, the Kher Sangri and the Gatte ka Saag. Today, let's see how to make a Rajasthani Thali which has got some unique recipes like the Mattu Shahi Maas, the Marwari Kabuli Pulao, some Raita and Bajre Ki or Jowar Ki Roti to go along with it. To make the Mattu Shahi Maas, here I have 750 grams of mutton which we are going to marinate with 3 onions, medium-sized onions which I have finely chopped, 3 medium tomatoes finely chopped, 1 cup of yogurt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder, 10 cloves of crushed garlic, 1.5 inch of crushed ginger, 5 to 6 whole green chilies, a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, some salt to taste, a few whole spices like 2 bay leaves, an inch of cinnamon, 2 black cardamoms, 2 star anise, 5 to 7 green cardamoms, 10 cloves and a teaspoon of pepper. Now we're going to drizzle about 100 ml of oil over this. Mix this well. I usually prefer to marinate the meat for longer hours, but since we don't have the time right now, I'm going to put this immediately to cook on a low flame. Let's switch on the flame. Cover this and cook for 5 minutes on a high flame. Now after 5 minutes, I'm just going to stir this curry. Now I'm going to cover this and cook it on a medium to low flame till the meat is done and occasionally keep stirring it as well. Now while this is getting cooked, let's get on with the pulao. For the pulao, let's heat 2 tablespoons of ghee and let's add 3 medium onions that I have finely chopped. We need to saute the onions till they are soft and pink. Don't brown them. Let's add a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste, 10 green chilies, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Just let's quickly saute this. I'm going to add 200 grams of yogurt to this. Reduce the flame because I don't want the yogurt to split. And we're going to saute this on a low flame till the oil separates. You can see a beautiful layer of oil that's floating on top of the gravy. It's time to add the vegetables. So I have taken 100 grams each of yam, cauliflower and green peas. Just let's add this. Just mixing all the vegetables in the curry. Going to add some salt to this. Sprinkle some coriander. Stir this once again. Let's cover this and cook it on a medium to low flame till the vegetables are done. The vegetables are almost done. So at this point, I'm going to add some gatte. The recipe for the gattas is there in the description, don't worry. Just going to gently mix all this. Now let's cover this and cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Let's check the meat as well. So here I have 500 grams of basmati rice which I had soaked for about half an hour and cooked it till each grain was done and separate. I'm going to add this to the gravy here. Just gently mix this. Remember to gently mix the rice with the gravy because we don't want the grains to break. I'm going to sprinkle some fresh coriander on this, some fried onions, and let's cover this and cook it on a very low flame for 10 minutes. Let's see what's happening with the Mattu Shahi Maas. The meat is cooked. I can see it falling off the bone. So our curry is ready. Let's shut the flame. And now while the pulao is on a dum, I'm going to make the Boondi Raita. So here I have a cup of yogurt. To that, let's add some salt. I have a cup of bundi over here which I have soaked in water for half an hour. We're just going to add the bundi, not the water. Mix this well. Let's sprinkle some cumin seed powder, some freshly chopped coriander, and a little bit of red chilli powder, and keep this aside. Let's quickly make the Bajre Ki Roti. You can have wheat flour chapatis as well or Jowar Ki Roti. Our thali is ready. I hope you enjoy cooking this meal as much as I have done. Do try all these recipes. Let me know and keep watching Get Curried.